Alrighty, y'all. So we have made it to the first place that we're going to be staying at. We didn't really do much last night, obviously. It was kind of late, so just relaxed a little and then went to bed. But today we are going to go out and explore the city of Seattle. So I'm excited. I got a couple things written down that I want to go see. So we're going to do that and take you guys along with us. But yeah, just wanted to show you this backyard of this place really quick because it is beautiful. Just a bunch of trees, which is pretty much everything that we've seen in the very short time going from the airport to this place. But yeah, it's beautiful.
By keeping your mask on inside the elevator and refrain from talking until we reach our destination. If you have any questions.
Okay, so quick little update. We stopped at Costco to pick up food and stuff for the hike, and me and Lucy are waiting for everybody to get back in. It is the second day here. Yeah, so figured I'd give you guys some thoughts on Seattle since we're leaving and heading into Olympic National Park. Honestly, not my favorite. There was one street corner that was just completely just full of bums and drug addicts and stuff like that. So it was kind of dirty. I mean, it's kind of everywhere. There's like alleys full of stuff like that as well. I don't know, just things felt a bit dirty. I wasn't really, I don't know, I didn't like it. I loved all the trees. There's trees everywhere like I showed. But yeah, so it's the nature side of it I really enjoy, but the other side, I don't know, just comparing it to Chicago, it just feels a bit more crammed and definitely a lot more homeless people. But yeah, got myself a little hat from Seattle because a couple years ago I grew out my hair, and we were on a vacation trip we're in California, we were in Venice Beach, and I bought a hat because it was really windy and my hair was going everywhere. And ever since then, everywhere we've gone on a trip, I've gotten a new hat. So yeah, I have a decent collection, which I mean, I enjoy, because you know, you just pick up different colors, you get different places on it, so you don't just get some generic hats that have like a pizza on them or whatever the heck I've seen in like retail stores. But yeah, and also if somebody sees your hat and they're like, oh, I like your hat, you have a cool little story about it, you know, like this one for example, I'll be like, oh yeah, I went to Seattle. Yeah, it just brings back memories, has a bit of a sentimental value to it, which I don't know, I'm a sucker for that stuff. I like there to have some meaning behind things, you know, instead of just having some basic hat from like Aeropostale or American Eagle or whatever. It's a bit more unique. So yeah, it's pretty much been my thoughts, and we're heading into Olympic National Park like I said. So yeah, gonna be filming some stuff along the way, and obviously the trails, which we're gonna be doing tomorrow. We're not gonna be doing them today because it's 5 o'clock already, so yeah, don't have enough time to start the trails. So see you on those. Alright, so it is day 3 here, and we're getting ready to go hiking. I got all my stuff over here, hiking boots, rain jacket, all that type of stuff, because you never know what you're going to need. This place is pretty nice. It's got all these nice little pictures up on the wall. Look really cool. This is my bed for the night, and that was my sister's. Nice little bunk up here. Looks very cozy. But yeah, the area is amazing. The rest of the house is amazing. Washington's redeeming itself for me for right now. It's much better than Seattle. But yeah, I'll show you guys around the kitchen and stuff. We gotta get snacks ready for going on the hike, and also the yard and stuff like that. It's all really pretty. So yeah, I'll show that right now. And then we're gonna get headed and go hiking. So we'll see you there. And we are on our way down because neither one of us was going to go up to the top. That was way too sketchy for my liking. Like, you just look down and it's a cliff edge. There's no trees, no nothing. It's a bit much for me. I really underestimated this hike. Like, nobody, I don't know. They say it's steep, but I don't know. Everybody usually like says that things are steep when they're not. So this was extremely steep. I mean, it's like the one part that we made it to was really sketchy, but then there was another part where they give you a rope. So I was like, if they give you a rope to go down, then that's too much for me. So yeah, we all chickened out and we're going on the way down to eat.